Red one. Racing for the win.
Yeah.
We are champions.
Yeah. Haha.
Honorary member. I smoke a lot of gas, drank a lot of syrup, did a lot of dirt, flipped a lot of work. Hey, walk up in the spot, they like baller.
Guys, I'm gonna do another video. This is our 4th trucks and coffee that me and my girlfriend are doing, but this time we're doing a cruise. So we got the opportunity to be with On Me Cafe here in Ontario. They allowed us to use their parking space. It starts at 8. It's barely what, 7:40, 49. So hopefully people show up. My homies are still all gotta come. We just had that one pull up. That baby, I think it's a baby lemon. That's just badass. I know that. It's a homie. We got 2 trucks right here. I seen a couple other trucks pass by right now. I'm not sure where they went, but I did see a couple trucks pass by right now. And hopefully this thing gets active, because then after this we're gonna do a cruise. So the premium is from 8 to 10 a.m. and then at 10 a.m. we're gonna take off and we're gonna do a cruise. So hopefully it gets pretty active and it's cool. So see how it goes. This is clean, fool. There's a homie Pollo's truck right here. It's a full limited swap, like everything. Like this is an actual full swap. Before did the interior, he did everything on it. This is like hard. He won't never look. See, look, it has the steps. Oh, the freaking mirrors. It opens up keyless. Homie actually did everything. Like, there's a complete swap right here. So it was not playing. A dash, a center console, the screen, little door over there, everything basically, all the moldings, the switches in the top. Food did everything. Even the freaking door pillars, headliner pillars, the door panels, steering wheel, even the freaking mats, bro. Look, these mats are tags too. They have like the little design in them. And even has the self-driving and shit, huh? Has the self-driving? Yeah. She even did the self-driving, the heads-up display. Did you do the heads-up display?
On these, they don't come with on these.
Okay.
That year, no. Only on the newer one.
Oh shit. So it does have the self-driving though. There's some lightnings pulling up right here. This looks pretty hard. Man, look at that fat ass turn though. Nice. Yeah, it's hard. Pretty big truck right here too. Nice right there.
Alert, jump up out the truck, got residue all on my shirt. Damn, I smoke a lot of gas, drank a lot of syrup, did a lot of dirt, flipped a lot of work. Hey, walk up.
I have a couple of trucks I've pulled up so far. There's a homie Lewis's truck. He's doing a little King Ranch on it. I know he's done the 2-tone already. He did the grill. I think he has the back tail with the pipe. Pretty clean truck. He does have the black. Yeah. So he's doing a clean wrench. Lobo shops. So the homie right here, Pollo, was done with Lobo shops too. También está. Lobo shops. I think he has a big screen. I think he has a center console. Not sure what else he has on it. Got an S650 pulling up. This looks sick. Probably got another right here. This one's hard too. S650s are hard. Get into this one. Who's into this one, bro? Why he popping shit? Shit clean though, bro. Bro, these shit are fast, huh? Bro, I got gapped by one on a dig and I'm 4x4, bro. I was like, what the fuck? I thought I was gonna get him. Hell no, bro. He took off on me. I know, bro. Hard the S650s. Starting to grow on me at first. I like the older Mustangs more, but starting to look good. Look, growing on me a little bit. What up, fool?
How you doing?
Good, bro. How about you?
Good, bro.
Where's the rest of your homies, fool? Nah, he just said that this is their parking spot. What did he say? This is their meat spot. Oh, yeah, it's their coffee shop.
We don't mind you guys to park.
They like baller alert. Jump up out the drop, got residue all on my shirt.
Whoa.
I heard you beefing, ain't nobody got shot yet.
What?
$400,000 coupe parked in the project.
Shout.
A $500,000 wardrobe in the closet. Only nigga in the city, 488 Rari.
Hey.
I went from selling bells to selling out shows, nigga.
Yeah.
Who cut the lights on?
Damn.
Got all my.
So it's getting pretty, starting to get a lot of cars pulling up, and it's cool because all types of cars, not just trucks. There is some cops parked over there, but the cops are chilling. They came and they're like, what are you guys doing at a coffee spot? But they were chilling, they're not tripping on us or nothing. They just said they can't get coffee. So everything's cool, no problems. This truck's pretty clean. I think I've seen this truck somewhere. I don't know where, but I've seen it somewhere. Oh, I think it was at Angels. So I was getting active, getting full. What time is it? 8:42. So at 10 we're gonna take off to the cruise. I'll cops start walking around looking at the trucks. That's very funny. Yeah, they're not tripping. They said this is their coffee spot they come to, so they're chilling. We got permission to be here either way. Street mob pulled up with their trucks. Look badass. The Hennessy's, I haven't seen these in person. That's just badass. What's up with the what? What the hell? OBS 454 and lightning. Alright, so it's, what time is it? I don't even know what time it is. I think we're about to take off soon. 9:22. So it got pretty full, bro. I was kind of worried at first because low-key there isn't a lot of people pulling up at first. It was like 8 or 10. But there's a bunch of trucks. The homie Fernie pulled up where he parked out. He parked right here. Look, a lot of trucks out right now. And the homie's lining, Fernie. I'm gonna try to record everything, and then I'm gonna go fucking fly that dumbass drone. Clean cars over here too. And it's cool because not just trucks that came, you know, all types of cars came too. It's a pretty badass TRX. She got forged carbon. Oh, that chick's nice. Badass shit right there. And G80. That chick's bad. Oh, what is it? GT500 over here? Hellcats. This is a Scat Pack. GT500. I think that's GT500 Oscar. This truck's nice too. There's a badass truck right here. I wish I had my phone to take pictures of the fucking trucks, but we're using to fly the drone. That fool gotta go up higher. He goes smack a light pole. And then we got, okay, a lot of trucks in. This is badass, matte black. At 10 we're gonna take off to do the cruise. So once it's 10 we're gonna take off. That's a badass truck right here. Pulled up on a trailer. Ooh, look at that G80 right there. I might have one of these cars, I promise. Look at that. There's another G80 right here. I'm gonna cut across right here. The homies from Street Mob all here. They brought 2 Hennessy's, a Lightning, and a OBS 454. Some badass trucks right here. The Hennessy trucks, they're bad. It has a carbon fiber grill on them. They're clean ass trucks right here. Hey, let this guy get a performance real quick.
I love you, brother, man.
Let me see if I have cash.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, say red line racing for the win. Say it. Red line racing for the win.
Red wine,
Racing
racing
for the win.
for the win.
Yeah.
And there, guys, brother, we are champions.
Ice on.
Damn.
Fuck a record deal. Fuck a cosign. I signed to the plug, nigga, back in 05. Hey, made $250,000 selling dope in North Memphis.
North.
Made a whole ticket, nigga, just in South Memphis.
For real.
Remember all the bad bitches stayed in East Memphis.
For real.
But I think my Black Haven bitch was the thickest.
For real.
But I swear my California bitch was the littest.
Facts.
I just flew a bad bitch in from Philly. She said she just wanna fucking go to Wet Willis.
Okay.
I just had a smoke session in the back of the Bentley.
Hey, give me a lighter.
I might send 20 to your doorstep for Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
They don't want us to ball, they want us.
Juan, you got todo gutted away.
It's my favorite color in the lights.
I didn't even see this one. You guys are currently going to the cruise spot. So we're about 45 minutes away. I think a lot of people got split up because last minute we had to change the direction we were going because there's a lot of traffic on the first the freeway we're gonna take. There's a bunch of traffic. We saw on the map and it was all red literally for like a couple miles. So like, nah, fuck that. Let's go a different route. And I don't think a lot of people saw the Instagram story because my friend said that a lot of people got split up and went the other way. So we'll see right now how it goes. There's a couple of trucks right here behind me. My homie says they're not too far behind me. So right here, there's like a couple, like 5-6 linings around me. There's a couple more in the front. So it should be pretty good still. Hopefully everybody is able to meet up over at the spot we're gonna be at, and it's still pretty active over there. Oh yeah, we're about 49 minutes away.
I'm on tour across the country, bunch of street niggas with me. Them niggas rapping them fake gangster stories in a way. I can show you how to get 80 pounds in one day. They can teach you how to hate, I'ma show you how to get paid. I put 20K dirty money in the collection plate. Ay, 90 bands in my old school Chevrolet.
Yeah.
Racks on top of racks, every day I elevate.
Yeah.
Dodge the Fed queso, every day I celebrate.
Say what?
Dodge the Fed.
Alright guys, so we just got to the destination. We're right here in Huntington Beach. Looks like there's a good amount of cars. There's still a bunch of trucks behind us. We're literally blocking traffic right now too. But there's a bunch of trucks behind us. Parking lot's pretty empty. So that should be cool, like cool little spot. I don't think we should have issues because everybody pays to get in, you know? And then I'm gonna just keep telling people, please don't do burnouts, because at the coffee shop, people were doing burnouts. And even though like we got the opportunity to get like someone that owns the shop to allow us to use their parking lot, there's people doing burnouts because they were telling us, hey, please tell them not to. I'm like, I'm sorry, I'm telling them, but yeah, it just ruins it. You feel me? Like burnouts are not that cool. Like no one's impressed with that. And then well, a lot of us have fucking nothing stock in our trucks anymore. So right there, CHP kept passing by, and we just worried, you know, fucking getting stable for anything. So there's always people with the beaters doing all that shit. All of us, we have fucking, you know, my homies are all boosted and shit, fucking full on race trucks damn near, and it's just like, just, you know, fucking nobody wants to get stable if we have any issues with the cops. Right here, we're literally right next to Pacific Coast Highway, like it's right there. So hopefully people don't tweak it too much because CHP is on here hot, like hot. So hopefully no one really trips out. But yeah, the beach is right there. It's pretty cool. It might be cold as shit too. It's pretty cold. Alright, so we made it to the final destination of the cruise. We're right here right now. And low-key, a lot of people still came. So we have a couple of shirts left in large and XL. But yeah, the homie Albert's here. Still going on people. All these people all came together. The Strick's still over there. The Strick's over there. There was still a good little turnout. There's just a bunch of fucking RVs parked up right here, but I mean, we can't really do nothing, you know? So there's still a good amount of people out here. Yeah, oh damn, there's more trucks over here. Still a good little turnout. So yeah, there's still hella trucks out here. Enrique's truck right here. Let me go to these. A lot of us got fucking hella split up on the freeway, but there's still a good amount of people that showed up. That's cool. Oh yeah, this shit hard. Hella people still popped out. It's good, it's good, it's good. Okay, right there. It's hard, is it? I didn't see this shit. Badass. That's 77s.
How to hate, I'ma show you how to get paid. I put 20K dirty money in the collection plate. Ay, 90 bands in my old school Chevrolet.
Yeah.
Racks on top of racks, every day I elevate.
Yeah.
The wheels, bro. I wanted S77s, so all I could afford is a Solana. The Solana, the broke boy version, bro.
I know, I wanted the all polished ones at first.
Oh, she look hard. Nah, bro, yours was perfect, bro. I love how your truck came out.
Thank you.
Got Luis right here. But this time we did all cars welcome, you know, so this badass Mustang right here, I've seen it pass by right now. So we still got all the lifted trucks right here. There's some more trucks down there. A little turnout. This truck's on well, this is car. Got Anton's truck, his homie, Mescal, he's pro charged. He's badass. Let me boil you right here. Limited. Blue, he got S77s. I want S77 so bad. Oh, this is expensive. Same wheel set my homie with the Serato got. With the Redline Racing sticker on his shirt. Really bought it too at the last spot we're at. It's pretty badass. I can put it on. Oh, his trick broke down on the way here. He said with the spark plugs, they burned the wires. That's just good now or what? Yeah.
Smoke a lot of gas, drank a lot of syrup, did a lot of dirt, flipped a lot of work. Walk up in the spot, they like baller alert. Jump up at the truck, got residue all on my shirt.
So that's pretty much it for Trucks and Coffee. We did a cruise. It was pretty successful. We're still out here in Costa Mesa, I think. We came to see Yard House with me and some of the homies. And then, well, there's some people that we're just talking to that ended up pulling up with us. But we got homie Alex, Juan, Fernie, me, Albert, and then the homie Tali. And then that fool, Danny's right there. So, yeah, the whole crew just out here basically. We're still missing a couple of our homies, you know, but all my homies basically out. Came to the Yard House. We're about to start going home. I'm already kind of tired. I've been up since like 6 in the morning, so about to go home, fucking go to sleep and shit, take a nap. And yeah, we still have some shirts available. If you guys see this video, we have only XL, large and XL, limited sizes. Every other size is completely sold out. So thanks to anybody that bought sizes and shirts. I really appreciate all the support. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, it's a Trucks and Coffee Cruise Edition. I tried to do my best recording. We were all over the place with the cruise, but it was pretty cool. And it was cool that they gave us the opportunity to post up at that coffee shop because they had a big parking space. It was pretty cool. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it.